effortlessly, no edges in my way. Space opens like soft answers that never fades away. Every step turns into drifting, every sound becomes light. Nothing holds its direction, it only feels right. Weightless motion, everything flows, where nothing is heavy, only glow. Line dissolve into silent design, everything moves but nothing confines. Weightless motion, I rise through air, no first remembering I'm there. Just a rhythm that knows my name, keeps me glowing everywhere. Time falls into quiet batteries, shades that don't stay the same. Each moment becomes a passage without brush or frame. Even the distance is breathing, even the space feels near. A gentle unfolding presence that carries me clear. Weightless motion, everything slow, everything soft is a starts to glow. The world becomes something I understand, like the stream forever through free land. Weightless motion, I ride through fun, without remembering I'm there. Just a